exciting. I don't want to give me any. There's a lot of monsters. The cutting of the wood. Wooden top box. I mean, there's a lot of imperfections. So, Bukanda forever. Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog. Hindi mo mapantayan ang aking kapangyarihan. Hindi mo mapantayan ang aking kapangyarihan. Hardware store. Alak daw nag-Ri-Ride! Bukanda forever! Yeah, my pizza pie. Here we go again. Oh, it's a little bit windy now, huh? It's really windy while taking off our motorcycle out of the garage. So, hello, Earthlings. Good evening again. And today, I will tell you about my new DIY wooden top box. This is me solid. Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog, sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. So join me again in this evening that we'll be talking about something else out of the ordinary again. This is out of this world because we're always out of our minds. No, just kidding. For this vlog, it will be useful for you also because you will get an idea of what I have made. It's a DIY wooden top box. Earthlings, yes, welcome again to our vlog night. Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog, sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. It's me, Zoned. Keep on riding safely. But before that, please do, click that subscribe button if you are not yet subscribed in our wonderful YouTube channel. It is the most understandable YouTube channel and everyone understands it except me because we're riding at night and vlogging at night. We're picking up again our imagine a friend from work in the night time. I've made a top box out of wooden pieces out of the scrap of our made customized cabinets in our house. So there's a lot of unused or scraps of chunk of wood. So I decided to buy jigsaw for myself. Yes, and what I did is, after I bought it, and then first of all, there's the measurements that I have done for this one, because that is the most hardest part of estimating measurements when you're, cutting wood and, placing them into whichever they must be placed off. I made the same height, at least, same dimensions of my current plastic cheap top box now on my back. Usually this is the legal one. Please take note and in the disclaimer, this is what I made is it's not for the legal street riding. It's your one-time things, for grocery stage, which I usually have. My current top box cannot be fit. That's why I made this one just for temporary short trips. But do not make this as a standard. It's raining and I don't have any. It's exciting. That's why I made this. The current top box is a little bit small and rounded things. The one I made is a cube, so it has more space. What I have measured is around 16 by 16 and the height is around 15 including the cover, because it's almost the dimension of the top box I have right now, because I cannot carry that so much oversized top boxes. It's very hard to maneuver in a parking lot in the grocery, but and especially that you are filling up these goods from the grocery. You have a lot of grocery that you have bought. I don't want to give me any. It will be wetness when I get back. Yeah. after made a lot of calculations of measuring, the next thing I do, and this is the jigsaw has come to take apart on it, the cutting of the wood. So when I cut the wood, there's a lot of factors also, especially when you are considering that this is really taking me at all now. Considering how you place, how you cut it, you must put the helmet inside of this thing. Yeah, bye-bye, bijabay. Urge of getting wet. I think this is only an occasional rainfall. Will not be long. Because you consider also the straight line, you know. I'm not an expert. This is only a DIY. There's a little bit. I mean, there's a lot of imperfections. So I leave it to the grinding thing after I cut it. So I cut the wood. Yeah. That's it. That's a good one. Then I grind the edges to make it really smooth. Cutting the wood, then all the pieces have been, completed. After all the pieces has been cut and measured, then the next getting wetty now, huh? Sweaty belly and the wetty underpants. Let's see the rainproof of my new pants right now, you know. I bought this in the Casco market in Las Piñas. No? Shout out to the guys there. I like their prices, especially the quality of this Benkia pants also. So it's a good combination with my jacket. So anyway, the next what I've done is the goal most achieving of all, I think, in the middle of this build, DIY build, is assembly. Of course, it's not easy also, because when assembling woods, it's not just sticking things like sticking sticks or like a Lego side by side and align it properly. And the first two woods is very difficult first, because that if you don't align the first two sides, it will be all misaligned, as per my experience of building this thing, So assembly it, then after assembly I have this palafox for smoothing out the edges and filling out the fields, because there are gaps in the wood also, imperfections of what you have bought, the plywood itself. Yeah, then the next one, what I did, of course, it will not be completed to have this cosmetics. So I painted it black because my motorcycle is black, so it really look like, I think, like the real one, the top box. So it went good. So I went 2 coats about it, just quick drying enamel, because what I have learned from this YouTube, especially that guy, is nice one, being explaining in Filipino what kind of paint you must use for wood or metal, or which is the best one or whatever. But I bought a 1 liter quick drying enamel black one. I painted 2 coats in and out, and it went great. Then I figured it out, why not really copy the real one. So I bought this in this kappy store in here in Kawit, Cavite, in another city, in the next door city. This 1 roll of reflectorized yellow thing, you can also stick this to your car or your wall. It's good, it's good quality. I thought it was just cheap thing, when you go to these places, this kappy thing, this secret, because it's the back of the wet market or something, really interiorized, I mean really inside. I also bought these hinges, concealed hinges. I think I have used C2, the second one in the middle, so it's nice. If I've done it correctly, at least it is open and closed, and it's aligned when I touch those screws and adjust them. So it's fulfilling with the color and the texture. And then of course, I match all the holes holes with the holes of my top box plate, so I will not take off the top box plate already. It's in place, it's good place when you're mounting it. You're mounting it on the motorcycle. So what I did when I'm mounting it on the motorcycle, I already have these chains. Plus I installed this, you know, tube huggers, metal tube huggers or whatever they call it. You know, it's a round thing that I have screws and then I punch it out in the, underneath. So this is where the chains come. You know. Then I have these quick release things, small things. Also bought in the kappy and the chains. I already have the chains already. You know, I wrap it around underneath the metal rack I have. Metal rack that you know, it comes with a thing with a whole motorcycle. Then the plate itself on the top box has this a design that's locking the top box. So I copy the holes on it. So it's good. It is in place, so it will not go sideways or forwards. After that, to be secure, really secured, I have some handbag belt. So I have holes on the sides that looks like a handle and also a handle on top of it. So when you're opening it, you can open it. But I have the stilts to let it open when you're stuffing out inside of it, stuffing out the things. Just market what you have bought in the market, so it can stay open. The stick, it's good. Then I put nails, little nails, so it can really hold it up. Guys, a good idea. Yeah, it's me, Sonad. Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog, and that is what I have done in my little top box that I have. My imaginary friend is not yet here. Yeah, bye-bye, BJ, bye. It's a good one. Bear in mind, don't take this in the highway because I think this top box is really dangerous on high speeds. They in the grocery, they have these boxes not fitted when you have a back ride already, so I have umulan. Ay, sorry, alis, punasan ko lang. Wait a second. Okay, there's a lot of monsters. Yeah, bye-bye, pizza pie. Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog, sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. It's me, Zonad. We have taken the package already and we're going home. That is for our vlog today. Yeah, bye-bye, pizza pie again, and again, and again, and again. Ride safe is slow. And good night, Earthlings. Stay safe, stay at home. Mobile Legend. No, it's an ambulance. And we also encourage you to have a vaccine now, yeah. So we can return to our old miserable lives, no? I really miss the old miserable lives that we are having. Jump back in the bus. Traffic here, traffic there, full of people in the MRT. You're like a sardines in this UV Express van. Hindi mo mabantayan ang aking kapangyarihan! Music lounges, KTV bar, and also gym. We missed the gym already. When you're at home, you're lazy. Whoa. Work out even you have many equipment. But not me, I don't have any equipment at home. Because everyone is driving slow. Today, it's a miracle. Somebody is really driving slow in front of us. I didn't come to that point that my clothes are really, hungry like a bear, big bear. I didn't have snack time. I like drinking beer and vodka. I told you it had rained a while ago, but it's only a few minutes. Few minutes, I tell you. And goodbye. There's only two things you can learn from this one. Be the kamote or you be the kamoterized. He said sorry and then I will go down, I will go down. I just stared at them on a look in the eye and then hey, what are you doing? You dropped my light and then I'm soldering here and it's very hot and dangerous. And after that they didn't return. There's thunderstorm and thunder lightning up ahead. We are cold. Vlogging at night, riding at night, because you are always riding a motorcycle 80% in the night time. Even before the pandemic, you're riding at night time. You have no choice. 6 a.m. Usually the time that the sun is rising up here, and sometimes it is nearing December. It is late because there is longer days. Yeah, bye bye. But in some countries it's worse. They are really have longer days in the summertime, and some of them have longer nights because they are usually in the northern hemisphere countries. It's cold, dark, and lonely and stiff. Oh, it's cold! I like this one, little bit cold. I just thought it was just windy. We don't want to get splattered like that one. That's why we make papansin. Oh, like that. Let's go to Tagaytay now. There are 5 reasons why we want to go to Tagaytay, and that's our next video. I hope so. Ja. Shield on. Da. Tickle. What is that? It's a cat? It's a puppy. Here we go. That dog again. Outside. It's okay for me that the other dogs is outside. No, it feels like it's normal, but it's not normal when they're chasing you. Yeah, bye BJ boy, and this ends our little riding experience. I hope you enjoy riding my motorcycle also, and I hope you enjoy watching me this little big bike. Oh, kitty, get out. Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog. Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. Oh, ride safe is slow. So buy one, take one. Do not buy. My face shield is wrecked again. This is my 4th face shield already, so better not anymore have these guidelines in face shield because it's useless. It's a waste of money. Yeah, it's me Soned. Sa Gabi Nag-Vlo-Vlog. Sa Gabi Nag-Ri-Ride. Haha, it's interchangeable now. We are on the walking vlog. We're walking around our house and vlogging. And later on, hello Earthlings. How many times we will say our, subscribe button, please? Until now, for us, we are work from home and this is the only time that we are going out.